Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of Opus Clip. So let me take you to the website, which is opus.pro. For the ones who don't know about them, Opus Clip is an AI-powered video editing platform that automatically transforms long-form videos into engaging short-form clips for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. It uses AI to identify highlights, generate captions, reframe videos, and optimize clips for social media creators, businesses, and marketers. So, what are you waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, maybe check out the pricing. Click here to see what available options you have to enroll for and start utilizing them. That's up to you. If you're looking for a platform like this, then Opus Clip is the platform for you. But that's not exactly why we are here. As usual, we are here to earn money, and this time from Opus Clip. How do we do that? We simply join their affiliate program, start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we will end up receiving commission. So affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission? No restrictions found. So regardless of your location as an affiliate or the location of your consumers, you can still apply to be a part of the affiliate program. And as long as you're bringing the valid sales, you would still be able to receive commission from them. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, you can come to the footer section of the website and you can click on Become an Affiliate. It will take you to the affiliate program page. Over here, you can scroll down to see how it works. You apply to join, you get a unique link, and you earn cash. Earn 25% recurring commission through the first year of each new subscriber that you refer. That is amazing. Imagine you're bringing someone to Opus Clip, and as long as they are paying to Opus Clip for next 12 months, you will earn 25% of that amount as commission. It's a generous commission rate. And if you scroll down, you get to see more like how creators are promoting Opus Clip brand assets. You can click here to see the assets as well, and will help you integrating your tracking links and the brand asset on your website. What creators are saying, and then spread the word and earn money now. And then you got some FAQs. So anything that isn't covered in this video, any question from here, you can come to this section and explore and find the answer. I'm still gonna cover mostly all the questions from here. So let's start. Who can join as an affiliate? Well, they welcome every creator to apply to the affiliate program. They review each application too, and if they think that the affiliates are a good fit for them, only then they approve the affiliate. And then, is there a minimum number of signups required to participate? Of course it is. If you don't bring any traffic to them for next 6 months, they simply will deactivate your account, assuming you get the approval from them. And if there is no traffic from you for next 6 months. And then you got, can I advertise using my affiliate link? You may not use your affiliate link in any paid media that includes search engine ads, Facebook ads, or anything similar that would compete with Opus Clip's marketing and cause confusion for potential customer. Long story short, you cannot buy paid ads for them. Abuse, gaming, and policy violation may result having your account banned and any existing and future commissions forfeited. You just have to ensure you don't involve in such violations. And then you got this one. What are the terms and conditions? You can click here. You can click on this to read the terms and conditions. If you have even more questions, you can click here and you can write an email to this email address. Now, let's say you've read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. For that, you simply click on apply now from here. It will take you to the registration page or the login page. You can bookmark this page, assuming if you receive the approval from them, you would be able to use the same page to get into your affiliate account with them. For now, we can start with the sign up process. To start with the sign up process, you can enter your email address, the email address that you have access to, and that will be the email address that will let you log in as well down the line. And then you can click on continue. It will send a code to the given email address. You can log into the email account, copy the code from there and paste it to the screen we were looking at. So you can see there's an email from Opus Clip Partner Program. You click on the email, you can copy this code and come to this page again and paste the enter code. Then it will validate the given code and will take you further to complete your account. Over here, you can mention your first name, last name, and the other details. All the information that I'm going to mention here, that will be dummy just for the educational purpose. In your case, ensure you enter the details correctly as it will help you in getting the approval from them. So let's start with the first name and last name. I'm going to mention John as first name, last name as LNU. You can mention your first name and last name too. Followed by that, you can mention your company name. In case if you do not represent a company, but rather you want to promote them on your website or social media platform, you have to mention the name of your website, blog, or social media page. So I'm going to go with A3 Marketing 01. Then you got country or region. So you can select your country from here. Let me search my country. As you can see, I cannot find India. So any country that you do not find from this list here, that means they're not open to the affiliates from the specific country. Just for the demo purpose, I'm selecting United States of America, and sure you choose your country or regions accordingly. Then you have to read this thoroughly and type in yes here. Then you got a question, what is a link to your main social media account applicable to affiliate program? Wherever you intend to promote them, let's say if you are planning to promote them on your social media profile, then you can mention the URL of your social media profile in here. Then what is a link to your website if applicable to affiliate program? If you intend to promote them on your website, then you must enter your website URL in here. And then you click on terms of service, read it thoroughly, and then tick mark by signing up to Opus Clip partner program. You agree to terms of service, and then you simply click on continue. In case if you get message like this, the program is not available in your country, that means as of now, they are not accepting affiliates from that specific country. But don't get disappointed if they have mentioned your country in the list, then in future, it is highly likely for them to start accepting the affiliates again. Maybe you might want to try applying to the affiliate program sometimes in future and see if that time the application goes through. Assuming you get the success message and your application goes through, you can give them up to a week's time to review and to confirm whether you're fit for their affiliate network or not. And you'll be notified by an email. Once you receive the email, then you can follow the instructions from there, get to the login page that we just discussed, and enter your email address and the password and get to the affiliate platform. Now, once you got the approval, then what? Then you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use your tracking link. And you'll be able to find your affiliate link after logging into your Opus Clip affiliate account. All right, so you learn how to apply to their affiliate program and how to get your tracking link. The next question arises, where can you promote them? The many ways still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you got the approval from them, you can start promoting them on your website. Maybe homepage, category page, any place wherever you feel like it's more suited for your audience, for your traffic, go ahead with that. Then you got blog. On blog, you could write blog posts about platforms like Opus Clip, and you might want to feature Opus Clip in that blog post of yours. But don't forget to mention the tracking link. This way, when people would read it, if they like it, they click on the link, they subscribe to Opus Clip, and you get commission for next 12 months. Apart from it, you might want to create content related to AI video editing reviews, short form content tutorials, AI tool comparison articles, and you might want to host these either on your website or blog. Then you got social media. When we talk about social media, you could target platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and on these platforms, you could create content such as long form videos, short form videos, basically talk about Opus Clip, and ensure you share your tracking link as in the description or in the comment section. Then you got AI tools website. If you have such a website available as an affiliate, then you're lucky because people come to these kind of websites to find brands like Opus Clip. So you might want to feature Opus Clip on that website of yours. Of course, you should be integrating it with your tracking link so that it tracks properly. And then you got other type of website as well, which could be good for brands like Opus Clip. We got video editing website, content creator website, and SaaS website. If you have such websites available, then you might want to start leveraging those websites too. Now, promoting Opus Clip is one thing, but there's a problem that most of the affiliates face, and that is bringing the right traffic. What's the point of having traffic that doesn't convert? So, I've mentioned top three traffic sources for Opus Clip. The first one you got is YouTube. On YouTube, you might want to create AI video editing tutorials, Opus Clip reviews, YouTube short tutorials, or content repurposing guides, and you might want to feature Opus Clip in those content of yours. And then to get these traffic redirected, you might want to share your online presence details or the Opus Clip tracking link. This way, you're going to get right traffic, which will have high chances of converting, meaning subscribing to Opus Clip. Then you got Google SEO. Doesn't matter whatever kind of content you create, just keep it Google SEO friendly. You might want to target keywords like AI video editing, short form video creation, YouTube shorts, TikTok automation, and AI content creation. This will help you getting the natural traffic, which usually have high rates of converting into sales. Then you got creator communities. So you might want to target platforms like LinkedIn, X, and Reddit, and you might want to focus creator communities which are focused on YouTube growth, podcasting, and social media content creation. And then talk about Opus Clip with those communities, and of course, share your tracking link or your online presence. And given they will have high chances of subscribing to Opus Clip, you stand a better chance of bringing more sales to them and, of course, earning more commission. So these are top three traffic sources of Opus Clip. Let's say you started bringing sales clicks to Opus Clip. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can log into your Opus Clip affiliate account once again, and over there, you would be able to explore your performance. And let me also cover a few questions from the affiliate program page. Over here, you can see how to track the referred sign up. You can log into your affiliate account to track your refer as long as you've used your unique referral URL or tracking link correctly. The data you see in your dashboard will be accurate. And how do you receive the commission that you must have generated? So let me take you to this question, that is, how often is our payout made? Well, it gets paid out on the 15th of each month, but you have to give them between 3 to 5 days more for the payment to be successfully processed. And you get to receive commission via PayPal. So ensure once you receive the approval from them, you also update your PayPal details in your affiliate account with them. And then you can expect to receive commission from them between 15 to 20th of the month. There is another restrictions though, so let me take you to this one. Is there a minimum fee that you need to reach to get paid? And that is 20 USD commission. So you would only be able to receive commission if your accumulated commission exceeds $20. And you would be able to see all these details in your affiliate account. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Opus Clip. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you learning about the affiliate program of Opus Clip. And if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. Apart from it, if you want to grow, if you want to learn better, there are some amazing resources that I've created for you. They're free as well as premium resources. You'll be able to find them in the video description. Get any that you prefer. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.